Most people who look into AI tools for the first time make the same mistake. They find one tool, use it for a few weeks, and assume that's what AI can do for them. What they miss is that there are now over 3,000 AI tools publicly available, and a significant portion of them are completely free. This video is the result of 3 weeks of testing 20 of them. What you'll get here isn't a list of the most popular ones. It's a breakdown of which ones actually deliver results and which ones you can safely skip. Here's the thing that most AI tool content gets wrong. It either shows you one tool in isolation, no context, no comparison, or it lists 20 tools without telling you how any of them fit together. Neither of those helps a beginner figure out what to actually install and use on Monday morning. That's what this is built to answer. Before we get into the tools themselves, here's how the testing worked. Each tool was evaluated on 4 criteria. Does it actually work as advertised? How long does it take to produce a usable result? Is the free tier genuinely functional, not a bait-and-switch trial? And could someone with no prior AI experience use it in under 10 minutes? 20 tools, 4 criteria, 3 weeks. Let's get into it. Category 1, Writing and Content Tools. This is where most people start with AI, and for good reason. Content creation is the highest time cost for the majority of solopreneurs and small business owners, and this category has the highest density of genuinely free, genuinely useful tools. The first tool is ChatGPT. The free version, running on GPT-4o Mini, is more capable than most people realize. For drafting emails, writing outlines, repurposing content, and generating first drafts of social media posts, it handles the workload without needing a paid plan. The limitation shows up in context length. Longer projects require the paid version. But for beginners building their first AI workflow, the free tier is a legitimate starting point. The second tool is Claude by Anthropic. Where ChatGPT wins on speed, Claude wins on nuance. It reads more naturally. The free tier includes Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which produces writing that sounds less like a machine and more like a thoughtful human. For any content that needs to sound authentic, newsletters, long-form scripts, thoughtful explainers, Claude is the better choice at the zero-cost tier. The third tool is Perplexity AI. This one is consistently underestimated. It's a research tool that cites its sources in real time. For content creators who need accurate information without spending an hour digging through search results, Perplexity compresses that process to minutes. The free tier covers the vast majority of research use cases. It's become the daily research layer for a growing number of serious creators. The fourth writing tool is Gamma. If you need to create presentations, pitch decks, or structured documents from a text prompt, Gamma does it in under 2 minutes. You type a topic. It generates a full, visually structured presentation. The free tier allows limited exports, but for drafting and sharing online, it's fully functional. It replaces hours of slide design work. The fifth is Notion AI. Notion itself is free up to a certain usage limit. The AI layer allows you to summarize notes, generate action items from meeting transcripts, and draft content directly inside your workspace. For anyone using Notion as their productivity system, which is worth building if you haven't, this integration removes the friction of switching between apps to get AI assistance. Category 2, Design and Visual Tools. The barrier to creating professional-looking content dropped significantly in the last 18 months. These 4 tools are why. Canva's AI features, specifically the text-to-image generator, the background remover, and Magic Write, are built directly into the free plan. You can produce social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, presentation slides, and basic video content without leaving Canva and without paying for the pro tier. For a beginner, this is the most accessible design AI on the market. The learning curve from zero to functional output is measured in minutes, not hours. The second design tool is Adobe Firefly. Adobe's free-tier AI image generator produces commercial-safe content, meaning the images it creates can be used in business applications without licensing concerns. For entrepreneurs building a brand, this distinction matters. The quality is competitive with paid tools, and the free monthly credit allocation is generous enough for regular use. The third is Leonardo AI. For creators who need AI-generated images for thumbnails, social content, or digital products, Leonardo's free tier offers more daily generation credits than most beginners will use. The interface is more nuanced than Canva's built-in generator, which means more control over the output. If you've tried AI image tools and been disappointed by the results, Leonardo is worth a second attempt. The fourth design tool is Ideogram. Text rendering in AI-generated images has historically been the weak point of the category. Ideogram was built specifically to solve that problem. If you need to generate images that contain readable text, infographic-style graphics, quote cards, promotional images, Ideogram handles it better than any other free tool currently available. Category 3. Productivity and research tools. These are the tools that work behind the scenes, the ones that don't produce a visible output you can screenshot, but that meaningfully compress the time it takes to work. Otter AI. It transcribes audio and video in real time, generates summaries, and extracts action items automatically. For anyone who sits in meetings, conducts interviews, or watches research videos, Otter turns spoken content into organized text without manual effort. The free tier covers 600 minutes of monthly transcription. For most beginners, that's sufficient. The second productivity tool is Taskade. It combines project management, AI task generation, and team collaboration in a single interface. You describe a project, and it builds a task list, timeline, and workflow from the description. For solo creators and small teams who find traditional project management tools too complex, Taskade removes that friction. The third is Merlin AI. It's a browser extension that puts AI assistants directly inside any web page you're already on. Reading a long article? Merlin summarizes it. Watching a YouTube video? It pulls out the key points. Browsing an email thread? It drafts a reply. The free tier is functional for daily use, and the context-switching reduction it produces compounds significantly over weeks. The fourth productivity tool is Google Notebook LM. Google's AI research assistant allows you to upload documents, PDFs, and research sources, and then have a conversation with that information. For creators doing deep research on a topic, it functions as a custom AI trained on your source material. The free access tier has no waitlist as of 2026, and the quality of analysis it produces is substantially higher than a generic AI search. Category 4. Video and audio tools. This category is the most directly relevant for YouTube creators, and it's where the free tools have improved most dramatically in the last year. CapCut. The free version includes AI-powered auto-captioning, background removal, text-to-speech, and basic video enhancement for anyone creating short-form content, shorts, reels, TikToks. CapCut's free tier covers the entire production workflow. The auto-caption accuracy is high enough for direct publishing without manual editing on most recordings. The second video tool is Opus Clip. It takes long-form video content and automatically identifies the highest engagement moments, trims them to short-form clips, and adds captions. For anyone repurposing long YouTube videos into shorts or social content, Opus Clip compresses what would be hours of editing into a single automated process. The free tier allows a limited number of monthly clips, which is sufficient for testing the workflow before committing. The third is ElevenLabs. The free tier generates 10 minutes of AI voiceover per month. For faceless content creators, that's enough to produce one short-form video or test whether the workflow suits the channel format. The voice quality significantly exceeds any other free voiceover tool currently available. Once the free tier limit makes sense to upgrade, the paid plans start at a cost that most established channels recover in a single sponsored segment. The fourth audio tool is Adobe Podcast Enhance. It takes low-quality audio, recorded on a phone in a noisy room with background hum, and processes it to sound like a professional studio recording. The free tier is unlimited as of this recording. For creators who don't have professional audio equipment, this single tool removes the most common barrier to sounding credible. Category 5. Automation and business tools. These are the tools that connect everything else. The infrastructure layer underneath your AI stack. Make.com, formerly Integromat, allows you to build automated workflows between apps without writing code. The free tier includes a meaningful number of monthly operations. For creators managing content calendars, email lists, social publishing, and client communication, even a simple automation that moves data between 3 apps can save 4 to 5 hours per week. The compound effect of that time saving over a year is significant. The second automation tool is Zapier's free tier. Where Make is more powerful for complex multi-step workflows, Zapier's free plan covers single-step connections between the most popular apps. For beginners who haven't built automations before, Zapier is the lower friction starting point. Build one automation that actually saves you time, and the concept becomes immediately intuitive. The third business tool is Canva's social media scheduler. This one is underutilized. Canva's free tier includes the ability to schedule social posts directly from the design interface. For creators who design their content in Canva, which after this video should be most of you, remove